Hi everybody, this is a very short video on how to insert a glucose sensor. Now, today I'm going to show you how to insert the Simplera sensor made by Medtronic. And this is just one of the sensors. I would say these sensors, the insertion process is typically very similar. So if you use another sensor, the idea is more or less the same. Now, before you do this, it makes sense to check if there is an expiry date on the sensor. In this case, it says 2025, so we're in 2024, so I'm fine there. It's always good to check that. They come in a nice little plastic container, and it is sort of like self-explanatory on how to open this. So you just screw it, and then you hold it against your skin, and then you insert it. So I'm going to show you that, and I'm also probably quickly showing you how you actually clean your skin. So you can use surgical spirit or you can use alcohol swabs. Now the alcohol swabs, it depends whether you can get them easily. So for example, where I live, somehow if I ask my pharmacy for these sort of things, they don't have that. I don't know why, but so I suppose you can probably buy these somewhere online. But these sort of like bottles, they are really cheap and they last very long. So, and in a way, they are also probably somewhat more environmentally friendly. So, and that's, you just use some sort of like a cotton swab and then put a little bit of alcohol on it, and then you just wipe your skin where you plan to insert it. Now I'm going to put this on my left arm, so I'm going to do this for demonstration. Normally I would do this in front of a mirror, so that actually I also see where I do it. And usually it's good, so if you 1 week you use one arm and another week the other arm, that makes sense. Now let the alcohol dry. It dries of course very quickly, and then we need to open this, so we rotate it, and that's very easy. Now there we go. And you look inside, and then you can see there is actually a needle in there, and that needle, that won't stay in your arm, but it is used to quickly insert the whole thing in your arm. So we're going to do that now. A good way to do it is hold your arm like this, and then you do something like this, and then you look at it, and then you feel boom. And then, now, there we go. Now, did that work well? Not sure yet. So typically what I do, I learned that from the Dexcom. You hold it sort of like 10 seconds, so you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, and then typically, so what you can do is you can sort of like move your fingers around it. Now, anyone who uses the Dexcom 7 knows that they say to do that. Makes sense to make sure that just in case that stuff that sticks to your skin, you only do that one time, right? So, and that's it, and then the thing is connected to your skin. And I always find personally that that's quite important. Fortunately, so I have used different sensors, and fortunately on my skin they stick quite well, and that's it. Did it hurt? No, not at all actually, and that's quite a good thing. It did not hurt. How do you dispose these? Now, I suppose the official guidance is that to put it in your sharps box, if it fits in there. Look on the packaging what they say, and that's it.